Good morning, 7:30 in the morning. Remember that guy, Jack Sparrow Jr.? Yep, we're about to meet with him and we're going on a snorkeling tour and maybe see some Manta-Rays. We met up with Jack Sparrow Jr. Jack Sparrow, say hello. Here he is.
Oh, snorkeling tour with the Teco.
And you know what? I brought my Capson flag.
In
The
your
Capson.
country,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
What the name?
Capson.
Capsum. Capsum. Ada yang lebih dulu itu, men.
Okay, so we stopped at the first snorkeling spot. Christian is getting ready.
Oh my god.
Slow and it goes so fast. When you see when you fall asleep, but you'll
Capson
never
flag,
touch.
high up on the boat, Indonesia. Capson.
Hangover.
Huh? Hangover boats, Indonesia. He even managed to get a pull with the Capson flag up high in the boat. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Capson flag. incredible experience.
It was amazing.
Walking to the beach through these paths, right in the jungle, forest, whatever you want to call this. And our man is over there in front.
What was your name again? Since so many of them come, want me just play pretend. Your girls.
After doing the snorkeling tour, we came to this beautiful beach and we have it for ourselves. Look at this! No one! And all thanks to this guy. We were driving around, we stopped at his house. This was through really strict roads, rocky, really impossible to drive. And he said, no, just come with me, I'll show you the way. And he led us to this beach. No one here! There's no one here! Look at this. Another day in paradise.
Baby, I just wanna be with you. With you. With you. With you.
It's gonna climb the tree to get coconuts. Be careful, my friend. Look at that! Yeah. He's got the coconuts. He's got the coconuts.
What else could you do on your holiday? Just come into an empty beach and have a coconut. Come on. So this was our day today. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did. And
yeah, today was really incredible, special, especially the Manta-Ray. Tomorrow we're leaving, we're going for another island, which we will see you guys over there. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.